What we want to look at is applications. You can see we do Microsoft Exchange, Azure Active Directory. What we want to do is take a look at Microsoft Team Performance. We've had 8 failed tests over the last 24 hours. We can see what time those failed at. And then this graph gives us an overview of how long each stage in the instantiation of Teams takes place, whether it's name lookup, connect, the handshaking or response time. And we certainly can dive in, take a look at those failed calls and see when they're failing and get more information on them that way. And when they do fail, we can definitely set up an alert for that. And again, if the status, is equals failed, then, how many times you want it to happen. And then, whether we want to email it out or add a webhook or maybe link to an integration like ServiceNow for it. So we can do that. These scouts are real easy to set up. You can edit scout here. Just select the type that you want to do. In this case, it's Teams. The location that you want it to run from. We only have one hive that's set up for it. However, you can have multiple hives that go out there and do it. Give it a name and how often you want it to run, every 5 minutes to every hour. And then, just give it your Teams account name and then a server address and things like that. And that's all there is to it. Real easy to set up and use.